This is Bai Jiaoyuan, a famous Chinese dumpling chain store in Tianjin. The restaurant has been open for 17 years. It's this branch where Li Yan sells around 100 kilograms of jiaozi every day.
We sell a variety of over 360 kinds of dumplings in our store. And since 2001, over 229 of them have been recognized by Guinness Book of World Records. We tend to serve different jiaozi during different seasons.
Jiaozi are Chinese dumplings, which generally consist of minced meat and finely chopped vegetables, wrapped in a thin and elastic piece of dough skin. Chinese people have kept the tradition of eating jiaozi on important days of the year for many years. Jiaozi look a lot like the golden ingots yuanbao used during the Ming Dynasty for money, and the name sounds like the word used for the earliest paper money. So serving jiaozi is believed to bring prosperity. In most places of northern China, families eat jiaozi at midnight on Chinese New Year's Eve. Some cooks will even hide a clean coin inside one of the dumplings for someone lucky to find. Jiaozi are usually boiled or steamed, but now there are many new ways of presenting the popular dish. Egg dumplings are made of eggs rather than dough, and fried dumplings have also gained popularity among youngsters. The shape of jiaozi also varies across different regions. As a homemade staple food, every family has their own preferred way of making it. But they all share the same tradition that jiaozi is a must-have dish, especially at Chinese New Year. Boiling jiaozi also differs according to its fillings. Salt is added to stop the dumplings from sticking together, then cold water should be added in the boiling water to ensure the fillings are well cooked. People usually add cold water twice for vegetable fillings and 3 times for meat. Jiaozi used to be the main dish served by poor families on New Year's Eve. However, as society develops, people from all walks of life enjoys it as a yummy snack. But when it comes to Chinese New Year, almost every dinner table in North China will include a bowl of hot jiaozi,